Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside.
Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonja and you're watching Domestic Diva DIY. Today is a reshare. I am sharing with you an old video that I created about 2 years ago, and it was such a popular video, but I know that some of my new subscribers might have not seen it, and in the spirit of Christmas in July, I thought I'd reshare this video. I am creating a pine cone wreath that is perfect for Christmas season, but you can also use it throughout the winter decor in January and maybe early February. So I am using pine cones that I got out of the garden, and then also the wreath, wrought iron wreath from Dollar Tree or Dollarama, I'm not sure where exactly it came from, some string or twine, and hot glue. So this is super budget friendly. I mean, it cost $1.25 for the wreath form, and then the pine cones were free. Now I also added this snow in a can, the spray. You could do that. You could also just paint the pine cones or just leave them the way they are. Now, one way to prepare the pine cones for this is to bake them in the oven to kill all the bugs. You could do that if you'd like. I skipped that part, but and I didn't find that it had any bugs, but I did have the pine cones in the bag for about 2-3 weeks. So the first thing that I did is I wrapped this rope around the form just to give it a more sturdier base for the pine cones when I start gluing them.
Dance, 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 come on, dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
So are you guys looking forward to the upcoming holidays? I love Christmas, and if you are not familiar with my Christmas decor, I have recently shared a Christmas home tour on my home channel. The channel will be linked down below, and it is my last year's home tour, Christmas home tour, and I have 4 full-size Christmas trees that I decorate in a different theme. Each one of them, there's also a hot cocoa station, and most of the decor that I display in my house are my DIYs. So now that I have wrapped the rope all around, or the twine all around, I start by gluing the pine cones to it. I do try to do the bigger ones first and then fill in with the small ones, and I do give it a generous amount of hot glue just so it sticks well.
Making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Christmas in my heart.
So as you can see, I am now filling in the small ones wherever there is a spot for them. It is a little bit tricky finding the right piece to fit in the right area, but I did manage to fill all the spots with them. Sometimes you can break off a little bit of a pine cone to make it fit better.
We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time.
So now that the pine cone wreath is all finished, I do spray it with the snow. That year I was a little obsessed with the snow in a can, and I sprayed my Christmas tree and all sorts of other DIYs. It does work really well, flakes off a little bit, but I love the way it made this particular wreath look. I am so excited to be sharing with you all sorts of DIYs that are coming up, not only for Christmas but also for fall. So if you like this video and this is your first time stopping by, make sure you press the subscribe button as well as the notification bell, because there are tons of DIYs coming your way. And if you like more than just DIYs like decor and cleaning, I do have a home channel as well, which is linked in the description box. And I also have a cooking channel where I will be sharing lots of holiday recipes. So if that's something you like as well, make sure you check out that channel. Those two channels are brand new, so there is not a lot of content, but there is definitely a lot coming your way. So as you can see, I was picking some of the strings from the hot glue. You might want to do that before you start before you start adding the snow.
Blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time.
So here's what it looks like above my mantle, my fireplace in my master bedroom, on top of this old window. So if you like this video, make sure you stay tuned. This week I have a couple more Christmas in July videos coming, and then that's it. Then we roll into August, and there are lots of DIYs coming, and we will be starting with fall DIYs in August as well. So like I said, thank you so much for watching. If you're brand new, I would love it for you to press the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget the notification bell so you don't miss out any of my upcoming videos. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.
Good time, I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling.